Cash flow. Welcome to the Culture Shock, and we are real people doing real things. Now you may ask yourself, what is Culture Shock? Culture Shock is an online multimedia platform in which we like to call an internetwork that offers a variety of ways to display the richness in urban culture. Recording artists, poets, musicians, politicians, all alike are brought on our show to educate and entertain the urban community.
You may ask, why give Culture Shock $10,000? Supporting our project offers an affordable and accessible platform for entrepreneurs and aspiring artists. By nominating Culture Shock as the winner, the entire community wins. Because our product is more than entertainment. It is a launching pad for inspired minds throughout our nation and our world.
We expose these variations through 3 online media vehicles. First are our video webisodes, which attract a large viewership and displays the talents and services of the urban community.
Secondly is our online radio station. It offers an alternative to commercial radio programming.
Lastly, our live events bridge the gap between cyber network and real world and offers networking opportunities for professionals and working class citizens.
We finance these efforts through advertising and endorsements. In doing so, we are able to offer the same valuable exposure as TV and radio without the corporate price tag.
And with the constant increase of online activity, Culture Shock is at the forefront of creating an online network, i.e. BET Online.
Our vision is clear, and our determination is unwavering.
And we hope that cash flow will be a part of our efforts to create a better world for the urban culture.